Step-by-step solution. 1. Be patient and wait. This is the most effective and least frustrating solution. The Steam servers are likely overwhelmed and will stabilize as the initial rush to download the game subsides. Wait, give it some time. Try again in 30 minutes, an hour, or even a few hours. This is an issue with the servers, not your PC. 2. Restart Steam. A simple restart can sometimes re-establish a stable connection to a different, less loaded download server. Close Steam completely. Go to the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Exit. Reopen Steam. Launch the application and see if the download resumes. 3. Change your download region. Steam has download servers all over the world. Switching to a different region might connect you to a server that is not as busy. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads. Click the drop-down menu for Download Region. Choose a region that is geographically close to you but not a major metropolitan area. E.g., if you're in New York, try Philadelphia or a smaller city instead of a major hub. Click OK and Steam will prompt you to restart. 4. Clear Steam's download cache. Corrupted cache files can sometimes interfere with downloads. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads. Click the Clear Download Cache button. You will be asked to log back into Steam. Do so and check if the download starts. 5. Verify the integrity of game files. If the download was partially successful but has a corrupted file, this can fix it. In your Steam library, right-click on Hollow Knight, Silksong. Select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the files and re-download any that are missing or corrupted. If none of these steps work, it's highly probable that the issue is on Steam's end. Your best bet is to wait until the servers have recovered from the high demand of the game's release.